OnePlus 13 leaked. Launch timeline and design hints revealed. OnePlus is reportedly working on its new smartphone, the OnePlus 13, rumored to be a successor to the OnePlus 12. Chinese tech company is yet to officially confirm its existence, but ahead of it, a tipster has shed some light on the smartphone's launch time, design, and price. It's rumored to boast a mostly flat display with slightly curved edges and a glass rear panel. According to earlier leaks, the OnePlus 13 could sport an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner and be the first OnePlus flagship to arrive with an IP69 rating for dust and water resistance. It's expected to retain the 100-watt fast charging support and 50-megapixel Sony LYT-808 sensor for the main camera. The OnePlus 12 was released in China last year but was unveiled globally in January with a starting price of 64,999 Indian rupees for the base model with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. Based on this pattern, it can be expected that the OnePlus 13 will be available widely sometime in January or February of 2025. Taking to Weibo, a tipster digital chat station claimed that OnePlus 13 will be launched between October and November this year. The Vivo X200 series, Oppo Find X8 series, Xiaomi 15, iQOO 1, Realme GT7 Pro, and Redmi K80 series are also claimed to be released around the same date. According to the tipster, the OnePlus 13 will be available relatable to the OnePlus 12. The smartphone is expected to be powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 SoC or the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset, will purportedly not view a substantial price boost. Talking about the design, the tipster indicated that the OnePlus 13 will ditch the circular camera module but could retain the same lens arrangements as the OnePlus 12. It's set to feature a flat display with a curved edge and a glass rear panel instead of ceramic.